Welcome to Math Guru. Today we will learn how to find the cube root of any numbers. So this formula applies to any numbers up to 6 digits, right? And it's pretty easy, right? It's just require 3 steps which can be done in 1 or 2 seconds. Okay. So first, whenever we get the number, for example, if we get the number 551 368, so we will split into two parts, right? The last 3 digit and the remaining 3 digit. And once, so if it's of 5 digit, then it would be like last 2 digit, right? And then this 3 digit, right? So 3 digit should be there on the right hand side, and then whatever is remaining we will split into two parts, right? The first part 368, right? So what we will do is that we will check the last number, right? If it's 8, right? So we will refer this table. So this table is basically, right, these are the symmetric tables. These two tables are the symmetric one, right? If I do if you can see it over here on the right hand side table, I have what I have written is that I have written the cubes of all the numbers which is from 1 to 10, right? Okay, this, right? And if you can see, if I do the cube of 2, it's 8, right? So if any numbers 8 ends with 8, so the cube root last number would be 2, right? Similarly, if for the cube root of 3, it's 27, right? So if any numbers ends with 7, it's 3, right? So first we will, similarly for others numbers we can do it, right? So similarly, so what we will check, first we will check the last digit number, right? If it's 8, so it will end up with 2, right? And then we will check the remaining number. If it's 551, right? So we will find a small just the nearest lowest number from this table, right? So if it's 551, right? So the nearest number is what? 8, right? So 82, right? So similarly, we can find the cube root of the absolute cube root, right? If a number has an absolute cube root, so we can find it using this mechanism, right? So let's take few examples on that. So let's take 970299. So the first step was to split this number, right? So we will split into 970 and 299, right? Now we will see the last number, right? It's 9, right? So if in this table 9 means 9, right? So we will write 9. Then we will check this 970, right? So it's the nearest number is what? It's greater than 729, right? And it's less than 1000, right? So it lies between these two things, right? So we'll pick this 9. So the cube root of this whole number would be 99. Similarly, let's take one more example of 19683, right? So 683, it's end with let's split it into two parts, 19 and 683, right? So 3, if you can refer this table, it's 7, right? So the last digit would be 7, and 19, right? 19. So 19 is just bigger than this. It lies between 2 and 3, right? So I will pick this 2, right? So it's 27. Pretty easy, right? Let's take one more example. 262144, right? So first what we will do, we will split into two parts, 262 and 144, right? It ends with 4, so I will pick 4 over here, okay? And 262, right? So if you can see in this table, 262, it lies between these two, right? 6 and 7. It's greater than 216 and less than 343. So what I will do, I will pick this 6. Easy, right? Let's take one last example. 571787, right? So I will split into two parts, 571 and 787. 7, right? If I refer this 7, last is 7, it's 3, right? And 571 is what? It's between 8 and 9. So I will pick 8. Okay, it's pretty easy, right? You can find the cube root of any 6 digits up to 6 digit number using this formula. You just have to do one thing. You just have to split this into two parts, the last 3 digits and the remaining digit, which is on the left hand side. And then using this table, you can find it out, right? Okay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, please do like this video and subscribe to our Maths Guru channel. Thanks again.